When I first was elected, one of our partners was the Army Corps of Engineers, and everyone had a terrible relationship with the Army Corps of Engineers. And I decided that that was a huge mistake because they were going to continue to be our lifelong partners. And instead, I made every effort to collaborate with them, to cooperate with them, to show them my respect, to show them my support, to advocate for their projects. And it was reciprocal. And now we have a wonderful relationship with the Army Corps of Engineers and have for over a decade. I think that Martin County was one of the first counties who embraced our partnership with the Corps because we knew that they were going to be our partner in Everglades restoration.